Welcome to Packing 101, where I'm going to teach you how to pack like a pro in 5 simple steps. This is going to be using carry-on only so that you will not have to check a bag. The first step is going to be figuring out whether you need to be packing a backpack or a suitcase. Whatever you decide to pack, it does have to be carry-on only friendly, so make sure you check out the link to see all of the approved sizes for a carry-on. Now let's take it pro by con. A pro of a backpack is that it's going to allow you to be completely hands-free while you're in the airport. A suitcase is not hands-free, but it is very easy to maneuver around the airport. Whereas a backpack, you're going to have to take it on and off when you're sitting down and getting back up. A backpack is going to be less structure, and some people prefer that when they pack. I typically prefer a suitcase because it gives me more structure and a little bit more space. Another huge difference when you're figuring out whether you need to take a suitcase or a backpack is that when you're approaching the check line, you might have to end up checking your suitcase, whereas they're not going to typically take a backpack from you. For all of those reasons, and because it's a little less weight on my back, I typically end up going with my handy dandy suitcase. Step number 2 is picking a personal item. Typically, I like to bring my backpack, but you can also bring a duffel bag or a larger purse as long as it meets the below size requirements. Step number 3 is making that list. You have to have a list so that as you're packing everything, you can check off item by item as you pack it in, and you'll know that you didn't forget anything. Number 4, lay out all of your clothes that you made according to the list. Number 5, pack it all in. I typically start with my shoes facing down at the bottom of my suitcase so that they don't touch anything else. Remember to check items off your list as you put them into your suitcase. After packing everything that I need into my personal items, I'll add things that I need easy access to the front pockets, like my iPad and my wallet. All right, you're ready to go. Follow along for more tips and tricks.